Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so we only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts. We only using one account simply because people who are just starting would only try with one account first and see if it, you know what I mean? So more like a trial run. And I'm going to show you the results I get promoting this particular product. Now you may get better results than me or worse results. I'm not entirely sure. I can't promise anything, but I'm showing you that it's working for me. It's working for me, it can work for you. That's how I feel about it. But anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And it's essentially because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. 80% is absolutely fantastic. Now it's multiple products in the system, but the recurring is 80%, and the product is the $25 business. It has two products. One costs $25 and one costs $125. Both of them are recurring, 80% recurring income. So you make it every month. You make $120 a month off of each person if they buy both, which is insane, which is very, very good. All right, guys. And that's the main reason why I like promoting this product. It's very easy to build your income with it. And even with a simple and very easy method that I show you guys, I can make a lot of money. All right, so anyway, we're gonna refresh the page here to show you real results. Don't believe the results if they don't refresh the page. All right, it looks like we got two sales yesterday.
Nice.
Or, okay, yeah, we either got two sales yesterday or a sale and a resale. That's what I believe. I believe it's a rebuild, so we probably only got one. It makes most sense to me. Two sales in one day usually doesn't happen, but rebuilds come through, and man, the money start piling. It might as well be another sale. You know what I mean? So that's the great thing about recurring income. All right, so we're gonna go to, first we're gonna show you what you want to do to start this system, right? I'm gonna show you real quick on exactly what to do. So in the description below, there's a link that say $25 business. Once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page here. And on this page, it tells you about how you can make money, how much you can make, all that good stuff, right? And you talk about it, you can look through it, see what you want. Click on yes, I want in. It won't work for me because I already got it, but once you click yes, I want in, they'll show you a video showing you exactly what you're purchasing here. You know, showing, just in case you're not entirely sure you want to do this or whatever. It shows you, it tells you, you know, exactly what you're getting when you purchase it and all that good stuff. We ain't trying to trick nobody into buying anything. All right, guys. So once you do that, right, you'll eventually sign in, do all the stuff you need to sign in, and you'll eventually get to like a page that looks similar to this page here. Okay, guys. All right, so what you want to go to is the affiliate zone here. You click on affiliate zone, it load up. There's a video for every single thing. So everything I'm showing you guys, there's a video about it. So even if you don't understand what I'm saying, there's a video to help you out every time. So all you need to do is sign up for the affiliate program right here. All right, you click on that and you got to sign some stuff and look over some stuff. But you click on that, say, okay, I want to sign up, whatever, right? Once you do that, you'll get your login to SoundCard. And once you log into SoundCard, eventually you'll get this page here. All right, guys, you'll get this page here. Now you won't have money in yours, but you know, you'll get all your links here. And once you get in here, you want to have this link, the all-in-one $25 business. That's the link that I'm using, guys. All right, once you do all that, you go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. You get yourself an account. All right, guys. Do not purchase the master email swipes. You do not need them. I'll show you a better way to get emails. A cheap way, free way to get emails. Actually, I'll show you my emails. Matter of fact. So anyway, you click on mailing system here, and you click on select all. Then you click on I'm just gonna upload my next email here, guys. So that's what I'll do, which is this here. So you guys can copy that email right there if you want to. Very easy email to click on, copy, pause it and copy it, guys. That's the whole email, very short. All right, guys, very short email. All right, so here's another way you can get emails if you don't want to use my email, right, guys? Once you log into your account, your Home Business Academy account, once you purchase the product, right? If you got the premium, this is the way you get it. You got the free premium should be free for the first 2 weeks at least. When you get the premium, guys, you get something called the Emerging Magic Content Machine. Now this right here, it can do anything for you for content. It can write you a Facebook post. It can do all kinds of stuff. It can give you a good YouTube video, whatever you needed to do. Right now, we need an email about email marketing. I mean, we need a short to give me a short about how much money you can make if I put the all in one $25 digital business. Yeah, just click something like that. You put in something like that. Maybe make it a little more clickbait or whatever if you want to. You can put in whatever you want, right? And what should happen is they'll load up an email that you can copy right there. Real short email. You can copy that and put it in, and you're good. That's all it is. And you can hit it again. Guess what? You hit it again. Guess what it'll give you? It'll give you a whole nother email, guys. Once it load up, a whole nother email saying similar stuff. And you can just keep doing that over and over again, get all the emails that you need. But I just want to show you guys that feature if you get the HBA Premium. You need HBA Premium to get that. All right, so guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Make sure your link works. Preview and send an email and you're done. That's all it takes, guys. Finish, finito. All right, so easy to do. And once you got a lot of emails in here, like before, you can just start copying and pasting your emails. After a certain amount of time, I say get about 15-20 emails in here, and then you can just rotate them. All right, guys, because you get new leads every day. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell because we done. All right, guys, the link's in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.